G'day folks. G'day folks. Thought there was something coming in. This morning, it's just gone, when I got here, it's just gone 12:06. Gone 12:06 when I got here. I'm at the not busy station of Baldock in Hertfordshire. I've had 2 trains so far. First one was 700 0022. Next one on platform 1 is 700 0022. I think. I don't know. But although I've noticed that today there's been a few cancellations. There's been cancellations, but I do have a good feeling that we might get some good locos today. So we shall see what turns up at Baldock. $700 999 to start us off with. Recording, Dad. Is it on record? Now on its way, guys. 2 Charlie 45, Cambridge to London King's Cross. Next station for this service, London Electric Garden City. Try and get a horn tone. Charlie 45. Nice tone there, just one. Dad, is it on its way? Is it coming round? No. So guys, just a quick summer up. Today being at Baldock was brilliant. The train I've just seen gave me the England chant where it goes do 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 England, using the depot horn, and then he gave me a two-tone just on the way out. Lovely driver, thank you Thameslink. You've got such brilliant drivers. It makes my day when the drivers sound the horn for me. It just makes my day. It just sometimes, like when I'm in a bad mood, I'll come out to the railway, and when I get a horn, it's just wonderful. It is wonderful. It is a wonderful thing. But anyway, thanks to GTR for having a wonderful Baldock station as it is now. And whilst I'm coming down the stairs, I'll just do a massive summer up. So basically, I thought I'd come out today to Baldock because I looked on Railcan data. Although there was a few trains that were cancelled, I still thought, well, get out. So anyway guys, so I'll see you when we next go to our next stop. All the best guys, Hertfordshire Train Spotting out.